Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover operator. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operators available are plus for addition, minus for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, / for division, and * for exponential. In the next program, I am going to cover logical operator. Logical operators available are an operator, or operator, and not operator. In the next program, I am going to cover comparison operator. Comparison operators available are less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to operators. In the next program, I am going to cover concatenation operator. We can use double vertical bar to concatenate strings. In the next program, I am going to cover is not null operator. We can check whether value is null using is null operator, and check whether value is not null using is not null operator. In the next program, I am going to cover like operator. We can check for pattern in string using like operator. We can use percentage for 0 or more arbitrary character, underscore for exactly one arbitrary character. Also, we can search for percentage or underscore in string using escape character. In the next program, I am going to cover between operator. We can check whether the value is between range of values using between operator, and we can check whether the value is not between range of values using not between operator. In the next program, I am going to cover in operator. We can check whether the value is in the list of values using in operator, and we can check whether the value is not in the list of values using not an operator. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Oracle PL SQL interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.